voice within calls out our names. We'll rise again with hearts unbroken from every tear, a promise spoken. Syria waits through pain and strife. We'll rebuild the land, we'll breathe new life.
The